What if you could wake up inside your dreams? What if your dreams were more than illusions? Or just dreams? Portals to other dimensions? Gateways to deeper parts of yourself? In this video, we'll explore the world of lucid dreaming, the ancient practice of ensueño, and the teachings of Carlos Castaneda and Florinda. You'll also learn a practical guide to start dreaming consciously. What is a lucid dream? A lucid dream is a dream in which you are aware that you're dreaming. You know it's a dream, and often you can interact with it, shape it, or explore it freely. It's not just a mental game, it's an opportunity to tap into deeper levels of consciousness, healing, and awareness. Lucid versus normal dreams. In a normal dream, you follow the script. You're unaware it's a dream. In a lucid dream, you realize this is a dream. That moment of awareness changes everything. You can choose, observe, explore. Even fly or ask your subconscious questions. Lucid dreaming is a bridge between the known and the unknown, between body and soul. Carlos Castaneda and the Art of Dreaming. Carlos Castaneda was an anthropologist who studied the teachings of Don Juan Matus, a Yaqui shaman. Through his books, Castaneda opened the door to a system of ancient knowledge rooted in energy, perception, and dreaming. The teachings of Don Juan. The beginning of his journey, Don Juan teaches that reality is not fixed, and dreams are doorways into other realms. Tales of Power. Here, Castaneda learns to recapitulate past experiences, silence the inner dialogue, and shift the assemblage point, the key to changing perception and navigating dream worlds. The Art of Dreaming. His most direct book on dreaming. He's taught the 7 gates of dreaming and how to become a conscious dreamer, traveling through alternate realities and accessing deep knowledge while asleep. Florinda Donner, the feminine voice of dreaming. Florinda Donner, a student of Don Juan and close companion of Castaneda, brings a feminine and intuitive approach to the art of dreaming. Being and dreaming. Her journey among female shamans, where dreams are not just symbolic, they are alive, spiritual, emotional, and physical. The Witch's Dream. A book where reason dissolves and the dream becomes a sacred practice, blending myth, memory, and perception. Florinda reminds us that dreaming is not a technique, it's a way of being. Practical Guide to Dreaming, Tips and Techniques. Inspired by Castaneda and Donner, here is a simple manual to begin your journey into ensueño. 1. Look at your hands in dreams. Before sleep, repeat, "Tonight I will see my hands." When it happens, you'll become lucid. 2. Silence the inner dialogue and do reality checks. Throughout the day, make time to quiet your mind. Observe your thoughts without judgment. A silent mind prepares you for clear, stable dreaming. Also, perform reality checks. Look at your hands and ask yourself, "Am I awake?" Do this often during the day. It trains your mind to question reality. Eventually, you'll ask the same question inside your dream and realize you're dreaming. 3. Recapitulate your day. Each night, review your day backwards. Inhale while remembering, exhale while letting go. This frees up energy for dreaming. 4. Keep a dream journal. Write your dreams as soon as you wake up. It strengthens memory and makes dreams more vivid. Five, focus inside the dream. Once lucid, choose an object to stare at, a rock, your hands, the sun. It stabilizes the dream and extends your awareness. Six, control your dreams. Once you become aware that you're dreaming, you can begin to direct the experience. Choose where you want to go. Decide who you want to meet. Shape your surroundings, explore other worlds, or simply take flight. In a lucid dream, you are the creator. The only limit is your imagination. To dream is to remember who you truly are. To practice ensueño is to walk between worlds with open eyes, even while asleep. We are perceivers, we are an awareness, not objects, not beings. We are boundless energy. Don Juan Matus. If you feel called to explore more deeply, I encourage you to read the works of Carlos Castaneda and Florinda. Their books are doorways to ancient knowledge, offering powerful tools for perception, transformation, and freedom. If this resonates with you, subscribe to Nice Dream and step deeper into the mysteries of consciousness.